Realme Watch S and Watch S Pro with circular dial, SpO2 sensor launched in India. Realme is expanding its wearables portfolio with the launch of two new smartwatches in India today. The Realme Band and Realme Watch have been joined by the Realme Watch S series. The Realme Watch S and Watch S Pro feature circular displays, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, an IP rating, and long battery life. Realme Watch S Pro. Realme Watch S Pro is the more premium offering of the two. It features a stainless steel case, which houses a circular 1.39-inch AMOLED touch display. It has a 454x x 5.4 pixel resolution, peak brightness up to 450 nits, and 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The watch also brings 100+ watch faces and always-on display support. But Realme says that both of these features will be added via an OTA update at a later date. Plus, you can see that you have two buttons on the right and the option to choose between silicone and vegan leather straps. Talking about the health and fitness features, the Realme Watch S Pro supports up to 15 sport modes. This includes outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycling, spinning, hiking, swimming, latest edition and record swell for called length type, basketball, yoga, rowing, elliptical, cricket, strength training, and free workout. The watch packs dual satellite GPS support to help users record workouts more accurately. You also don't need to carry around your phone while running or jogging, thanks to this addition. The 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep, and blood oxygen, SpO2 monitoring round up the health suite. You will also receive sedentary and hydration alerts, along with meditation features on board. Realme Watch S Pro comes equipped with a 420 mAh battery that provides up to 14 days of battery life with heart rate monitoring enabled. The magnetic charging case available in the box can juice up the watch up to 100% in just 2 hours. The Realme Watch S Pro weighs just 63.5 grams and should be comfortable to wear for long hours. It is up to 5 ATM 50 meters water resistant, supports Bluetooth 5.0, and a myriad of software features. Realme Watch S. The Realme Watch S was first launched in Pakistan back in November. The standard Watch S boasts the same feature set as the Pro variant. They only differ on the display and battery front. The standard variant also does not support dual satellite GPS. It includes a 1.3-inch IPS LCD touchscreen as opposed to an AMOLED display on the Pro variant. The display boasts 360x 360 pixel resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and up to 600 nits of peak brightness. There's a smaller 390 mAh battery on board here, but the company promises an extra day of battery life up to 15 days on a single charge. The Pro variant offers 14 days of battery life. The rest of the software, health, and fitness remain exactly the same. You can read about them in detail right here. Price and availability. Realme Watch S Pro has been priced at Rs. 9,999 and will rival the Mi Watch Revolve in India, which is available at the same price point. It will go on sale starting from the 29th of December, exclusively on Realme's online store and Flipkart. Realme Watch S has been priced at Rs. 4,999 in India. It will go on sale starting from the 28th of December, exclusively on Realme's online store and Flipkart. You can buy other colorful silicone straps for Rs. 499 starting the 5th of January, and began leather straps for Rs. 999 coming soon for both watches. Realme Buds Air ME launched. There's also a Realme Watch S Master Edition, designed in partnership with Graflex, and it will retail at Rs. 5,999 in India. The Realme Buds Air Pro with ANC support has also gotten a Master Edition upgrade. It now comes in a new wave silver color variant that's priced at Rs. 4,999 in India.